Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add clickable checkboxes as you see here. If you get benefit from this video, please like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Now let's get started. I have this question and also I have different options to choose, only one. So from Microsoft Word you have to have developer. If you don't have developer, just from file, go to options, customize ribbon, select popular command, here select main tabs, scroll down, here we have developer, just check it and OK. Now you have to see developer option, click it. First put cursor here, then click this icon. If you want a different color, you can select a different color. For example, I change it to green color. If you don't agree with this type of checkboxes, select it, then from developer, click properties. Here we have change, select the type you want. For example, I want this type or this one. I select this one and OK. OK, good. OK, now uncheck this one, select it, Ctrl C, paste it here, Ctrl V. OK, now you can select the correct answer. That's all. Have a nice time.